If this building was built for another developer, he could maybe just destroy the building and build something new. So what we try to do with Cohabs, it's always to try to save the building. And the idea behind is just to save the typology of Brussels. What is Brussels exactly? It's a mix of different kind of architecture, and it's part of the energy of Brussels also. So I'm Lionel Jadot, and I'm the artistic director of Cohabs. In my past, in fact, in my family, we built furniture since 5 generations. Every day when I come back from school with my sister, we are allowed to play in the workshop. And if there is something on the floor, it's for us. It's part of my personal work also as a designer. I work with leftover only. It's part of me. I believe in not try to hide everything, because in a normal renovation, you kill a bit the soul. When we enter in a new home, we need to dig a bit to find something. Let's break the carpet, let's see what there is, nice flooring, and so it's like more like an archaeologist. For this kitchen, there is a huge atmosphere because it was a church. But we have a mission. We cannot lose that. For me, light is a big element in the way I'm working, because you can sculpt a room with light. You can destroy a room with bad light also. We tried in this house to create collaboration with a lot of designers. I love to introduce a lot of young designers and young creators in each house. It's also something to connect with the city. To have like their work inside the house, also it brings the soul, so it brings history, so it's part of the project of Cohabs.